Hello everyone! We're here today to dive into some of the most commonly used Greek greetings. Whether you're planning a trip to the breathtaking islands of Greece or simply want to expand your language skills, you've come to the right place. First up, we have Γεια, which translates to a simple hi, hello, or even goodbye. It's a versatile, informal greeting used amongst friends and people of a similar age. Now, if you're up and about in the morning or early afternoon, you'd use Kalimera. It's a more formal way to wish someone a good day. Let's hear it and practice it together.
Καλημέρα.
As we go through the day, our greetings in Greek adapt accordingly. During the afternoon and until nighttime, we make use of the phrase Kali-spera. This translates to good afternoon or good evening. Now, let's hear it together.
Καλησπέρα.
As the day ends, we say good night to each other with the word Calinicta in Greek. This is typically used after sunset. Now let's hear it one more time.
Calinicta.
And finally, when we want to say goodbye, we use andio. It's a universal phrase that can be used at any time of the day.
Αντίο.
That's it for today's lesson on basic Greek greetings. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep repeating these phrases until they become second nature. See you in our next video.